Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a day in the life in German. So a day in the life meaning Tag im Leben. Tag is day. So here we'll see a normal day in the life of a lady or a girl called Myra. How she describes her normal day, that we are going to see here. Through this video, we'll learn how to make sentences, then construction of the sentence, and definitely we are going to learn few new words. So our vocabulary will going to increase, isn't it? So we'll start with the video. Now Myra is starting her day with Guten Morgen, meaning good morning, Guten Morgen. Then she will say, Ich wache 7 auf, meaning I wake up at 7. Okay, wache is to wake up, wake up. Then the next one will be Ich mache mein Bett, meaning I make my bed. Mache mein Bett. Bed is bed, B-E-T-T, bed meaning bed. So very much similar to English. Then the next one will be Ich putze meine Zähne, meaning I brush my teeth. Zähne meaning teeth. It's a plural form of Zahn. Zahn meaning tooth and Zähne is teeth. So there is a separate video on my channel called Different Body Parts in German. So I have explained this way. You can go through it. So putze is to brush. Then the next one will be Dann mache ich eine Stunde lang Yoga, meaning then I do yoga for 1 hour. Eine Stunde meaning 1 hour. Whenever you are talking about time duration, then you can use this. Then the next one will be Ich frühstücke gegen 9 Uhr, meaning I eat my breakfast around 9. Here this gegen word is new. Gegen meaning around. If you don't know the exact time, you can say gegen. Okay. So ich frühstücke gegen 9 Uhr. I eat my breakfast around 9. Then the next one will be Ich dusche, meaning I take shower. Und gehe dann zur Uni, meaning I take shower and then go to university. Actually, there is a separate word called Universität for university. But as a short form, you can always use Uni. Then the next one will be Ich komme 17 Uhr. Okay? Von der Universität Zurich, meaning I come from the university at 5 p.m. So now here, this we are following 24-hour clock. You have to understand this. That's why we are saying 17 meaning 5 p.m. Okay, clear? Okay. Then the next one will be Dann trinke ich meinen Kaffee, meaning then I drink my coffee. Trinke is to drink. Kaffee is coffee. Then the next one is Ich esse around, or you can say Ich esse 19 Uhr mein Abendessen. Okay, meaning I eat my dinner at 7 o'clock. Okay, so Ich esse mein Abendessen or Ich esse 19 Uhr mein Abendessen, meaning I take my dinner or I eat my dinner at 7 p.m. So, like very healthy habits, right? Then the last one will be Ich schaue etwas Fern, meaning I watch some TV. Ich schaue etwas Fern. Und dann gehe gegen 22 Uhr ins Bett. Here also we are using gegen. Gegen means around. So I watch some TV. Fan meaning TV. Actually, for TV, there is a word called fans here. For as a short form, we can always use fan, right? So, ich schaue etwas Fan und dann gehe gegen 22, 10 p.m. 22 is 10 p.m. ins Bett. So, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Okay. So, this is the way to describe somebody's day in life, normal day, right? So you can also describe your day in German, right? With simple sentences. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.